So once we're in ERIC, you can select which databases you actually want to search, and these are only EBSCO databases that AU Library has access to. So in this case, I've selected Education Research Complete and ERIC. But if you are looking at a topic that's somewhat nursing related, you might want to add in CINAHL or APA Psych Info. Business Source Complete can be another area to select. So you can see the two databases we're searching there. See, we're in the advanced search. Over here on the left, we've got subject authority, and that will take you into like the thesaurus to help you come up with additional terms. You will see that there are different advanced search features in each database you select. So that can be really useful for something like PsycInfo, where you can select specific methodologies. So it's worth going through those and seeing which ones you might want to use. You can also limit to specific publication dates, but in this case, we're going to talk a little bit about how we're going to coordinate our search. So we want to look at e-learning and strategic planning. So on the first line, we're going to do e-learning. We may also want to do some related terms. So we might want to do online education or online learning or distance learning. You can see I'm putting quotation marks when we have multi-terms, so it's searching those words together, and I'm using the star truncation so that we're looking at various different suffixes. On the next line, we'll do strategic planning. Okay, so if we start by searching that, you're going to see various different options. You can see we've got 2,000 articles, but these terms should be coming up in bold somewhere within the item record. The one thing to note is that when we are searching, when we are finding articles that have a full text attached, it's also searching for those terms within the full text attached. So that can be where you might be finding something that doesn't seem like it's super related to your topic, and it's because, it mentions online education at some point during the article, but the article is not about online education. So that can be an important thing to keep in mind. Up here, we can limit to peer review. And the other thing we might think about is these are all seeming quite broad. So if we are wanting to focus on, say, higher education, we could add that in. So this would be where you can add in a specific population if you are looking at elementary age children. So in this case, we'll do higher educate. And you can see it limited our search out a little bit more. Over on recent activity, you can see all the searches you have run. It will time out, so that is only while you're actively searching. So you can copy and paste those over if you are wanting to. It can be it's really good idea to keep track of those. So I do recommend copying out your recent searches as you're starting to find promising articles, so you can kind of journal that and report it accordingly. And you can see we've got higher education limited here, but if we're noticing that that might be too specific, we might also want to add in or post-secondary or college or university. Obviously, there's going to be lots more terms I'm sure you can come up with, but this is just kind of to give you an idea of what the searching can look like. Okay, so you can see that broadened our search once again. But hopefully that gives you an idea of kind of developing your search within ERIC.